In today's video, I'll show you how to give your Zoho Mail a fresh new look by changing its theme and appearance settings. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Once you log into Zoho Mail, head to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. On the left sidebar, go to Mail Settings, then click Appearance. Here you will see theme options, light, dark or system default. Light is clean and bright, dark is sleek and perfect for night use, and system default matches your device settings. You can also customize accent colors and layout styles to make your inbox feel truly yours. The best part? Changes apply instantly. No save button needed. And that's it. You've personalized your Zoho Mail in just a few clicks. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.